Hey guys, look at these nice golden toasty cheese straws. I made these with the last cheese that I've never tried before that I got at Sprouts. And it is Good Plant Parmesan. I've heard of Good Plant foods before, but I've never seen any. So I thought I would try this Parmesan plant-based cheese shreds. Allergen free. And I decided to make cheese straws. Not just any old cheese straw. Cacio e Pepe cheese straws. So without further ado, these are so good. I think I could probably have used a little more cheese. I thought I put enough cheese. These are made with accidentally vegan puff pastry. Just roll out the pastry till it's very thin. Sprinkle a bunch of cheese. I sprinkled a bunch of freshly cracked black pepper too to make it cacio e pepe. And then you fold the pastry over. You roll it out. Sprinkle more cheese. Fold it over, roll it out, sprinkle more cheese. So finally you roll it out and you cut it into 1-inch strips. And you just twist them till they form these like coils. And then after the coils are formed, I kind of just gave them a little bit of a roll with both of my hands. A gentle roll to keep them together. And then you bake them. Baked them at 375 for 15 minutes. Could have maybe gone a little bit longer, I don't know. They're good though. And the Parmesan, it's good Parmesan. I tasted some right out of the bag. Pretty similar to Violife. I don't see this near me, so I'm not going to worry about picking it up because I do get Violife at the local stores. But yeah, I just thought I would give this a try and see if it was any good. And it's fine. It's a very good Parmesan cheese. So the recipe for these will be on my blog, and I will link them in the description along with a link to the previous video. The good news is that this is the last cheese review I'm going to do. The next 3 videos are going to be dedicated to Perpetually Annoyed. The third one will also be dedicated to Meat is Murder. So thank you everyone as always for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you for visiting my community tab. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Community tab posts, Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Occasional kitty videos on Catterday. And I will see you later, guys.